Good afternoon, everyone. Today we would like to present our topic entitled Introduction to Discourse Analysis and Translation Studies. We are Group 1 and we have this presentation will give you a basic understanding the topic. Udah. And then translation studies focus on the theories and practices of translating text from one language into another. It is important to ensure that the meaning is accurately transferred between language. Okay, that's enough from me. We'll be next with my friend.
Bentar. Okay, the next slide is bentar.
Ini kan your speaker, please. Okay, let's see next. The universe.
Okay, the next slide is kedengeran kan ya?
Iya, Kak.
Okay. The next slide is presentation of participant. On this slide, we can see the presentation of participant. In this session, students introduce themselves to create a more comfortable and interactive learning environment. They usually share their names, academic background, and also their experience in learning or language translation. This activity helps both the lecturer and students to understand each other better. The next slide is assessment of background knowledge. In this slide, we have the assessment of background and knowledge. This step is important to identify students' prior understanding of discourse and translation. Usually, the lecturer conduct a short discussion, ask simple questions, or give a small quiz. This helps the lecturer adjust the teaching method based on the student's level. Next explanation will presented by my friend. Thank you.
Okay, the next slide is course objective. Course objective. First is understand the concept of discourse analysis. So the second is understand basic theories of translation studies. So the third is analyze text using discourse analysis, and the last apply appropriate translation strategies. So by the end of course, students are expected to understand the theories and apply them in analyzing text and translating effectively. So the next slide. Okay, the participants' expectation and professional goals. First is improve understanding of discourse analysis. The second is develop translation skills. The third is support academic and professional goals. And the last prepare for career related to language and translation. In here, student might share what they expect to learn from this course and how it can support their future career, such as becoming translator, researcher of language professional. Okay, the next slide will be explained with my friend. Okay, the next slide is conclusion. Discourse analysis examines how language is used within context and communication, while translation studies focus on transferring meaning from one language to another. Together, discourse helps students understand language use, context, and translation strategies, while also developing their academic and professional language skills. In conclusion, this analysis helps us understand how language works in real communication, while translation study focuses on how communication through discourse, students will gain knowledge and skills that can help them analyze text and improve their translation abilities for academic and professional purposes. I think it's enough for presentation. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.